Think you know what autism looks like? Think again. These 5 surprising truths might change the way you see everything. Autism is often misunderstood. For years, public perception has been shaped by outdated stereotypes, limited media portrayals, and widespread misinformation. The truth is, autism is far more complex and diverse than many people realize. In this video, we explore 5 things you may not know about autism, insights that challenge common myths and encourage deeper understanding. First, autism is a spectrum, not a one-size-fits-all diagnosis. While this phrase is often used, many people still picture autism as a narrow set of behaviors or abilities. The reality is that autism presents differently in every individual. Some autistic people require significant support in daily life, while others are highly independent and successful in their careers and relationships. Just like no two neurotypical individuals are the same, no two autistic individuals are alike. Recognizing this diversity is key to offering meaningful support. Second, autism is not caused by bad parenting or vaccines. These harmful myths have caused pain, stigma, and unnecessary guilt for families. Research has made it clear autism is a condition believed to result from a combination of genetic and environmental factors, not from vaccines or parenting style. Shifting the blame away from families allows us to focus instead on compassion, early support, and education. Third, many autistic individuals experience sensory sensitivities. This can include heightened reactions to sounds, lights, textures, or even smells, while others might overlook a buzzing light or the texture of a food. These experiences can be overwhelming or even distressing for someone on the spectrum. These sensitivities aren't just quirks, they're real neurological differences that deserve understanding. Accommodating these needs can make a huge difference in comfort and well-being. Fourth, autistic people often have unique strengths. Too often, autism is spoken about only in terms of challenges or depth. But many autistic individuals demonstrate extraordinary abilities like detailed memory, deep focus, creative problem solving, and a refreshing honesty in communication. By recognizing and nurturing these strengths, we can help autistic individuals thrive in school, work, and life. Finally, you may already know someone who is autistic and not even realize it. Autism isn't always immediately visible. In fact, it's often underdiagnosed in women, girls, and people of color groups who may mask their traits in order to fit in socially. Masking can lead to emotional exhaustion, anxiety, and delayed diagnoses. Raising awareness about this helps us become more inclusive and open-minded in how we view. In closing, autism isn't something to fear or fix. It's something to understand. The more we learn, the more we can support, connect, and advocate for acceptance. Let us move beyond stereotypes and embrace the beautiful spectrum of neurodiversity that exists in our world today. If you found this video helpful, I invite you to like, comment, and share it with someone who might benefit from this message. And don't forget to subscribe for more content focused on mental wellness, autism education, and personal growth.